Did you know CTS products are used worldwide? CTS's innovative products have been used in projects across the globe, from major transportation hubs to critical infrastructure, making an impact far beyond its U.S. roots. Did you know Rapid Set products are trusted for mission-critical applications worldwide, from airport runways and major highways to military installations and critical water infrastructure? Rapid Set cement products are used in projects where failure isn't an option. Did you know Rapid Set is used in extreme environments worldwide? Rapid Set products have been applied in extreme conditions, from underwater repairs and high-heat industrial settings to freezing climates, proving their durability and versatility under pressure. Did you know CTS has a long history of leadership in concrete innovation? CTS has been a pioneer in the industry for nearly 50 years, continuously advancing cement technology to improve durability, reduce environmental impact, and meet the evolving needs of the construction world. Did you know CTS expanded its North American footprint by acquiring a facility near Chicago? In 2023, CTS Cement acquired the J.E. Tomes blending and packaging facility in Blue Island, Illinois. This strategic move added a fourth U.S. production plant, enhancing CTS's ability to meet growing demand for Rapid Set products across the Midwest and beyond. Did you know CTS's new Cordele, Georgia plant boosts global distribution capabilities? Opened in early 2025, the Cordele facility is CTS Cement's largest production site to date, strategically located with rail access and proximity to the Port of Savannah. It enables efficient distribution of Rapid Set products throughout the Southeast U.S., Puerto Rico, and Europe.